Hey everyone, welcome into the Flippin Hippos YouTube channel. I'm Star. If you're new here or you have not already, please consider subscribing and helping us feed a hungry hippo. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Today we are doing one of my favorite videos, a plush unboxing. So I did get 2 more boxes of plush from who I love to refer to as my plush dealer. My friend Leslie goes outsourcing for plush, and I pay her twice what she pays for her time. So she got 41 pounds of plush, and I paid for 40 pounds. We just rounded down this time. So I gave her 80 bucks for the 41 pounds of plush, plus the 2 shipping labels. Came out to about $130 for all of this plush. There's 2 huge boxes. I'll be opening one in this video, and then next week I will do a second box. I am running out of room in this office. Most of you know that we source like squirrels in the winter. We store up a lot of extra inventory so that we have stuff to list on until the spring because we live somewhere cold. In fact, I did a video on how to source in the winter last week. I'll have that pop up for you at the end. But let's just jump into this box of plush, shall we? Got a moose. A big old Christmas moose. Look how cute he is. He is adorable. He wants to be my friend. She did say there was a lot of Christmas plush in this one. Oh, this one's cute. This is I've never heard of this brand, but it's called Me Too. Oh, Lord. Can you see it? But she's just cute. Look at her. Little dress. A popple. Oh, my goodness. Do you guys remember popples? Or am I just old? Anyway. They fold in into a ball. And then they pop out, and that's why they're called popples. See if I can get him in this little ball. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. He's a soccer ball. So they go in their little balls, and then you pop them out. Yay, the popple. I had popples when I was a kid. Anyone else, or just me being old today? We have a wee little Berenstain Bear. I believe this is Mama Bear. Looking for a tag. This looks vintage. Well, it would be because the Berenstain Bears books I had also when I was a kid growing up. So, you know, I'm vintage. Things I remember from my childhood are going to be also. So, yeah, that's Mama Bear. We have Pig. Cute. King or Ningbo G. I don't know what that says. I don't know if that's English. This is Pig. It feels like he's supposed to do something. I'll fiddle for around with him later. Oh, I see some snowflake daddies. Well, we got another moose first. Look at this moose. Oh my goodness, him is a moose. I like moose. 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 He's got his little sweater. She. I think this one's a she because it has a bow. Are you a girl moose? Are you a girl moose? You want to be my friend, little lady moose? Okay, we have a big... I think this is just Peppa. This isn't like her mom or anything, because doesn't her mom wear like a dress or something? There's little fuzzies on her. Pick them off. Peppa Pig. I do well with Peppa Pig. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I may have to keep you, Dobby. This is Dobby from Harry Potter. He's so stinking cute. Oh my goodness. Got a snowflake teddy. I recognize these. I have had so many of these in and out, you know, I've had so many of these pass through our store, I should say. They're dandy, and they are snowflake teddies. And every year they would have a boy and a girl for the holidays. And I don't shy away from things with years. I've talked about that on this channel before. Some people will, but people have significant things happen to them every year. And they will go online and, you know, hey, my kid was born in 1999 and Christmas time, and or I got married in 1999 at Christmas time, and they'll go buy things to commiserate. So I don't shy away. Here's the boy version from 1999. These are really cute. I do well with snowflake teddies. This is, I feel like I should know who this is. If anyone knows, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, I'll just Google image. We've got Chase from Paw Patrol. We've got Batman and Robin itty bitties. Hallmark itty bitties. I'll probably sell these as a set. I'll probably take them off this clip though. But I'll sell them as a set. We have a Christmas. Oh my goodness. This is a Squishmallow. And it's Gurry. So a Squishmallow Christmas gnome. Isn't he cute? He's so cute. So cute. And we have a Build-A-Bear alligator. Oh, I love Build-A-Bears. We have a Build-A-Bear shaggy puppy dog with a spot. He's got a spot. Very hungry caterpillar from the world of Eric Carlisle. This looks like a bag of some sort. Maybe it had a pellet at one time or something. I'll figure it out. We got another Build-A-Bear. This one's cute with eyelashes. Oh, this is a Girl Scout Thin Mint. I've sold those before. This is Eden Vintage 1991. This is from Goodnight Moon. So cute. We've got a teddy bear. Albert the Running Bear from 1979. Woo! Boy, you're almost as old as me. 1 year younger than me. A nice vintage bear. I'm excited about this one. You know what? We're going to look this one up together before I let you go today, because I'm kind of curious and excited. I see another Squishmallow. I think it's the same exact guy, just a different size. How cute. I'm going to have to make sure I get these Christmas ones out and listed first. Panda Crate is the brand. I could sit here and play with that all day. So cute. We have a Minnie Mouse. Looks like, yep, it's a Zoom Zoom. A Minnie Mouse Zoom. A Pokemon Center. I don't know this Pokemon, but guess what? Keith is a Pokemon nerd, so I don't know if he will. Or there's Google search, Google image search. This is a good brand. If you were to look for that brand, if you're looking for Pokemons. Oh my gosh. Do you guys remember these? Were these called Cupid dolls, or am I crazy? These are Cupid dolls, right? With the little hair. I remember these. I swear they're called Cupid dolls. Fortnite. Pink Bear clip. Video game plush always do well, and Five Nights at Freddy's and Fortnite and Minecraft are like 3 of the best, by the way. This is a backpack. God, this thing is cute. Scoops. Scoops. Violet the Wolf. Her tag says she's Violet the Wolf. I feel like she's from a movie. I'll figure it out when I search her up, but if you know, you can tell me too. This is Build-A-Bear. Also a wolf, it looks like. Really cute. Eyelashes and all. The Puppet Company. Elephant. Another wolf. This one is Violet the Wolf. It's got a squeezy box, so I'll have to put batteries in her and test her out. The Grinch. This is a Hallmark Itty Bitty. A Santa Squishmallow. No hang tags, but he's got his tush tags. Cute, cute, cute. And we've got Elliot, the Christmas elf. How cute is he? Is it a peppermint? Yeah, when I pick these up, I'm going to make sure I get the Christmas plushies up in the next week or two. Get those up first. This is a Minecraft. Speaking of Minecraft, I'm not sure what animal this is. I usually have to Google image the Minecraft because I don't play Minecraft. My kids did, but that was years ago. When you do Minecraft, you want to make sure you have the tags and that it's officially branded Mojang. If this was missing the tush tag, I would not list it. There are certain things I would list without tags if it's recognizable, like Mickey Mouse, for instance. But Mojang will come after you if they think you have counterfeit items, and if you don't have the tag proving that it's Mojang, they will come after you, and they can get your account suspended. So just be careful with Minecraft toys. And this is so stinking cute. I cannot stand it. This is Lanky Box. Little ghost. How cute is this little Halloween ghost? And we got one more in here. This is a Taggies Mary Meyer baby. Mary Meyer is a good brand of plush. I like it. And anything specifically for babies is always great. Has the soft eyes and everything. All right, let's share my screen so we can look up this running bear because I'm really curious and excited about him. So let's look that up together real quick. This is Albert the running bear. I wish I could type sometimes. The running bear. I guess I should have put Plush. Well, there he's popping up anyway. So not as exciting as I'd hoped. He might have been worth more at some time, but you know, people love to race to the bottom and ruin things for everybody. But I can see some in the green outfit go for like 20, 25. So, but you got them as low as $8 plus 8 shipping. Tisk, tisk, tisk. Well, I'll probably put mine up for 25. So there you have it. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about reselling in general, plushies, anything you saw in the video, let me know down in the comments. Go be productive. Go make some money. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Y'all are the best. Bye.